her together. Nobody else I'd rather die with, Sam. That's how I've planned it all along, in the bush.
Okay, let's see if I can break these end branches.
Really?
Yep.
Okay.
Because as long as I can break them,
It's lighter too.
you can just drive over it.
Careful, Parky. Yeah.
Terrible idea.
Off she goes. Sandals? I'm shocked you did it.
I didn't know we were going to do this. Yeah.
It is a trampoline. Oh, we can roll it. Oh yeah. Okay, hold on. What are you doing?
What if we roll it? Never mind. I forgot about that little branch.
Let's just try and heave.
Are you gonna help me?
We're getting somewhere.
Yeah. Okay, ready?
Until you decided you
Okay,
need
you lift over there. You're stronger.
Okay.
And I'm gonna push. Ready, Parks? Okay, go. Ah, it's moving. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3.
Go on the farmer's field, you big.
Watch out, Parks.
Well, we could make it a head tree.
Okay, wait. Okay, I can hold this if you drive through.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, Parks, you get on the four-wheeler with Auntie and I'll hold this.
Let me just snap the ones
Yeah.
that are gonna stick us in the head. And then I can just take a chainsaw out here one day
Yeah.
and actually cut it down. Now that we've got it propped up on the fence better.
Okay.
Hi, Mino!
Hi, handsome. Oh, shoot. I think you're gonna have to do it.
Oh, God.
No, you're gonna have to do it.
Oh, my God.
It's a great
We're never
idea.
getting out of here.